In the last account, we heard of the lowerers of the post, men placed beneath the earth as the foundations were set. But the taking of life did not end there. When the timber was cut deep in the forest and dragged toward the village, more names were given. TARA-NINDURU, the draggers of the post, those who hauled the great beams from the shadows of the trees into the light of the clearing. And when the first rafters were raised, there was a feast not of celebration alone, but of flesh. The victims were called Lalawanisa. The tiers of the rafters, each stage of building carried its own ritual and its own cost. And when the house was finished, there were others still. Vakavoti-voti, a word whose meaning even the recorder could not explain. Some things are not meant to be understood.